In this video, we're taking a look at the assembly of a 12 gel unit. After setting 12 mini gels, each mini gel can be incubated separately with different enzymes or control solutions by isolating it with a silicon gasket. Use the metal base with the dots as a guide to correctly position the corresponding 12 holes in the gasket over the gels. Next, place the clear top plate on top of the silicon gasket. You can clamp it together with the metal base and microscope slide containing the gels by using metal clamps on the sides. The metal clamps will isolate each mini gel in a well to avoid leakage between them. You can use a silicon seal or empty microscope slide on top to prevent evaporation of the solutions added to the wells.